Welcome to the Wrap Agency. Come on in. I'm Ryan Rickert. I'm the founder-owner of the Wrap Agency. We started in 2011 here in Bozeman. We get to do all kinds of cool projects, including this one, so come along with us behind the scenes.
My name is Jessie Apple, and I'm the operations manager. Dallas reached out to us for a wrap on his Ford Explorer, so we had him come in and talk to us about the design concepts he wanted so we can take some measurements of his vehicle and really get an idea of what he wants to bring his project to life.
We talked to Dallas today and he gave us his logos and everything we needed to get started on his vehicle wrap. So we'll start talking to him about where he wants to see his logo on the vehicle, kind of main points that he wants on it, a website, phone number, where he wants things placed on the front, the back, and the sides of the vehicle, what he likes, what he doesn't like. I will make up some mock-ups for him. I try to give him about 3 concepts to look at. I send those to him and then hopefully nail it down to a final design through a couple rounds of revisions.
And then once design's solidified, then we will get him down on our install schedule and bring this project to life.
Hi, my name is Jake Peterson. I'm the production manager at the Wrap Agency. We got the job down from Emily. Once it comes down to me, I set it up in the computer, go through the paperwork and look at all the files, and then I send it to these guys. When they're all done, I cut them off. They go to our curing station. We let them dry for 24 hours. As soon as it's done drying, they go over to our laminator. And as they come off the laminator, they go to different stations. We have a plotter that allows us to cut out spot graphics, allows us to do decals and a bunch of different little things. If it doesn't need to get plotted, it goes to our other bay where we do chopping. For instance, with this car, all the spot graphics were plotted, weeded, and then masked, and soon to be installed.
Hi, my name is Cody Mangering. I work at the Wrap Agency. I'm the lead installer here. So when we start a wrap, we usually get 2 hands and get a good stretch on it and try and pull out all the tension, make sure it's nice and flat. And once we have that all set and what's called tacked, then we can go in with our either heat gun and a squeegee and lay it in and put pressure. And this is pressure sensitive adhesive, so it doesn't necessarily stick until pressure is applied to it. And then we cut out all the windows, cut out all the taillights. We tuck in all the vinyl under all the moldings, under the doors, around the doors, under the taillights. We do everything from full color changes to prints on all different kinds of vehicles. We've done 1965 Volkswagen Bugs, all the way up to brand new 2020 trucks, Porsches, 69 Camaro, some race cars, some drifting cars. We do a lot of fleets, ATVs, skaters, a lot of business vehicles, some planes. We've done some really sweet boats. We wrap it all, that's right.
All right, so we just finished up this wrap project. This vehicle turned out awesome. We love taking a creative approach to vehicle wraps and really playing with different finishes. So as you can see, the gloss paint with the more matte and satin finish just gives that false sense of depth. We do that on a lot of vehicles. We love taking a blank canvas and turning it into a rolling billboard for businesses or some custom color. We do way more than vehicle wraps, so we do a ton of custom wall wraps, different signage, boats. We do a ton of boats, drift boats, fishing boats, surf boats. We enjoy it all. Our creative team of designers and our creative team of installers take great pride in the customer service and our ability to execute projects for our community. So we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Give us a call at the Wrap Agency or check out our website, thewrapagency.com.